Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beautiful candy flowers. First, gather your supplies. You'll need hard candies, parchment paper, a baking sheet, and some kitchen scissors. Select candies in different colors to create a lovely variety of petals. Preheat your oven to a low setting, about 275 degrees Fahrenheit, to prepare for melting the candies. This gentle heat ensures even melting without burning. Once your oven is ready, place individual hard candies on a parchment-lined baking sheet, ensuring they have enough space to spread. Bake them for approximately 5 to 7 minutes, just until they become soft and slightly melted. Watch them closely to prevent overbaking. Remove the sheet from the oven and let the candies cool for a moment. They should still be warm enough to mold. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this sweet guide, please hit that like button and subscribe for more fun tutorials. Quick recommendation: for all your recipe reading or just to relax with a good book, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, even in the kitchen. You can find the link and other great deals in the description. Now, let's get back to the video. Now for the fun part. While the candies are still warm and pliable, use kitchen scissors to carefully cut and shape them into individual petals. Work quickly but gently. Begin assembling your flower by pressing the bases of the petals together. You can layer them for a fuller look. Finally, place a small, contrasting candy in the center to create the flower's pistil, completing your edible masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.